Maya, come here. I think that is a little bit big for you. Hey, let's see. Just a wee bit. That's the smallest it'll go. It's a little bit big for you. Yes, it is. I guess we go and get a smaller one. Hey? Look at how big that is. Look at. Yes, look at that. Look at how big it is. You're not going to be a problem getting a harness though. That's not even bothering you. Hey? That's not even bothering you. Oh, maybe a little bit. How about we take it off? You want to take it off? We got to get you a bandana. We have to get you a bandana. Come here, I'll take it off. Maya, come here. Maya, come. No. Come on. Come. Good girl. Come here.